Today, I'm diving into IronVest, a password manager that claims to be more than just a vault for your passwords. As someone who's tested out several of these tools over the years, I wanted to give you an honest look at how IronVest actually performs from a user perspective. From the moment you land on their homepage, the branding emphasizes security and privacy. The site is sleek, modern, and feels trustworthy. You're immediately encouraged to sign up or log in, with the main value proposition being secure identity protection, not just password storage. After signing up, the onboarding process is fairly smooth. You're walked through how IronVest can mask your email, phone, and credit card info. This is not just a password manager. It's trying to be a full-blown digital identity shield. Once inside the dashboard, the interface is intuitive. Everything is clean and categorized well. Passwords, masked emails, and masked cards each had their dedicated section. Setting up autofill is quick, and in most cases, it works well. I tested it on banking sites, social media platforms, and e-commerce checkouts. The login forms were filled accurately about 85% of the time. That's good, but not perfect. A few platforms, especially ones with multi-step logins or CAPTCHA, required manual intervention. Security is where IronVest really puts an effort. There's biometric login support, device-level encryption, and alerts when your data is at risk. However, one major downside I noticed is that the browser extension can feel heavy at times. It slowed down some page load speeds when activated. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another thing worth pointing out, IronVest's free tier is limited. You get a small number of masked credentials before you're prompted to upgrade. That's expected with freemium models, but competitors, like Bitwarden, offer a bit more flexibility without pushing upgrades too aggressively. Also, I noticed the mobile app, while functional, lagged a bit behind the desktop experience in terms of responsiveness. Their support is responsive, and they do have helpful documentation, but live chat is not always available, which might frustrate new users who need quick help. All in all, IronVest is an ambitious platform. If you're someone looking for more than just a password vault, if you care about hiding your identity online and protecting your real credentials, it offers value. But it's not perfect. There's room for improvement in autofill reliability and mobile optimization. Still, it's a solid option if digital privacy is a top priority for you. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews just like this one.